Learn to read 7 words in a day. Welcome to day 3. Let's begin with letter sounds. A. Say A. A. A is for anchor. A is for art. A is for avocado. A. Next is L. 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 Say it again, children. L. L. Lamp. L. Light. L. Lamb. L. V. V. Say it again, children. V. V is for vulture. V. Van. V. Vase. Don't forget the sound. V. S. S. Say it again, children. S. S is for socks. S. Salt. S. Sun. S. P. P. Say it again, children. P. P is for pin. P. Paper. P. Pebble. Don't forget the sound. P. 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 Say it again, children. P. P is for cup. K. Corn. K. Cap. K. Mm. Mm. Say it again, children. Mm. Mm is for male. Mm. Man. Mm. Mill. Mm. Let's read all the letter sound. A. A. Mm. Mm. K. K. P. P. V. V. S. S. L. L. Now let's read the sound of each letter, then put them together to make a word. M, a, n, m, a, n, m, an, man, man. K, a, n, k, a, n, k, an, can, can. P, a, n, p, a, n, p, an, pan, pan. V, a, n, v, an, v, an, van, van. K, a, b, k, a, b, k, ab, cab, cab. Z, add, s, add, s, add, sad, sad. L, add, l, add, l, add, lad, lad. Now let's read all the words that we have learned. Man, can, pan, van, cab, sad, lad. Now let's read again. Man, can, pan, van, cab, sad, lad. Now it's your turn to read. Good job, children. See you on day 4.